Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Madge. Madge. Hello, it's Matty from Josh. No, it's Matty.
Josh.
It's Josh from MJ Automotive.
And I'm Matty.
Oh, hang on. Hang on. What? I'm going to have to stand here.
Why, so they can see?
No.
Why?
What's behind me? Did they know about that yet?
Yeah, the video's out, yeah.
Ah. We've done it again.
Yeah. We don't know where we are. Anyway,
No, we've done it again.
What, just blabbing shit?
We bought another shit box.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. I bought a gearbox.
1 minute! Not yet! Ready soon! Just leave it all
Sorry,
down.
ignore them. We've got a shit box. Got a Vivaro that's got a blown up engine but a reconditioned gearbox.
I'm having the gearbox.
Matty's having the gearbox.
He's having the
I'm
shell.
having the shell, so I've got to buy an engine to put in there.
I'm giving him a gearbox.
Just don't know how good it is. It'll be fine.
Low mileage one, isn't it? So yeah.
It'll be good.
Yeah.
So I've bought a Vivaro. It's a 2009, is it? 2005.
Yeah.
116 thou. Bearer for with her. It's 2005.
You got
Single stage blue. Hang on. It's got sign writing on, so I don't want to be like advertising for the mister.
Yeah.
I'm sure he won't mind. Yes, I've got the key.
Make them see what it sounds like.
This is what it sounds. Oh, hang on, I'll take off the tripod. This is what it sounds like. Never ideal. So 0 compression. The timing belt is as loose as anything.
I'm going off the assumption that the tensioners fail.
Matty thinks he knows what he's doing. Just because he's a mechanic, you know, I don't know what he's on about really.
No idea.
So yeah, so that's that for now. We're going to get it off floor, we're going to get the engine out obviously, get rid of that. Then we've got to fit the gearbox on Matty's. The gearbox off this is going on Matty's new engine that we've just fetched this morning from Leeds.
So then we can put it back together.
So then we've got Matty's back together. We've got a struggle bus, and then this is just going to be an ongoing project.
Yeah. I'm also having the roof rack off the top.
To flog, so if anybody wants to buy a roof rack.
No, I'm going to put it
Oh,
on.
you're keeping it now?
I'm keeping it.
Oh, right, it's like that, is it?
Yeah.
I'll give you 150 quid and I'll keep it. It's on my van, you can't touch it. Huh?
Did